Now, the next question that I'm going to move on to, number 3, is what have I learned from my experiences as a lead Enviroschool teacher and taken into my new role as a Enviroschool Facilitator? Well, the first thing is it's really important to create a profile within your school. Don't be a secret squirrel. Make sure that you have let the principal know who you are, or some person in the senior management team, so they know what's happening, they know about Enviroschools. The next thing, reward Enviroschool students. It's really important that those students who do participate in Enviro activities a lot get to know about opportunities out there. For example, Blake Inspire. These opportunities let them see what they may want to do in the future, and it enriches their environmental experiences. Next one, respond to teachers quickly. Respond to their emails. Don't wait for a week to answer their emails. You have probably lost the moment if you wait too long. Respond quickly. I can't emphasize that more. Okay, the next one. Have an attitude that students can do. So be an enabler, empower students, be constructive, offer them resources, and give them the equipment that they need to help them make realistic decisions about what they do. Certainly don't bring up barriers. Next, connect teachers with outside agencies and make them aware of opportunities that where they can integrate Enviroschools principles into their curriculum or subject area. As an Enviroschool Facilitator last year, I organised a Environmental and Sustainability Expo where I had about 20 local agencies come in and showcase what they would do for teachers. This was incredibly successful. I had a really great response from secondary school teachers, and they took away many resources that they thought that they could use the following year to support their learning. And finally, for the kaitiaki or the environment student leaders, begin the year with a student hui. In Whakatu, we spend an afternoon together where I encourage students to share what went well last year and what they want to do this year. I also give them an opportunity to work on a community project together. I know that these students really enjoy being around other like-minded students and people like them, and they do learn a lot from one another, and it's a great opportunity for them to bounce ideas and to take them back to school and get going with their leadership at the school. This is a good starter for the year.